Well, there are signs the Federal Reserve could cut interest rates as early as next month.
Meantime, as ABC's Jay O'Brien reports, some major retailers are admitting they may have to pass on the costs of those tariffs to their customers.
Tonight, high anticipation from Wall Street to Main Street after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled as soon as next month the U.S. central bank could cut interest rates for the first time in nearly a year, impacting everything from car loans to credit cards. Powell under a constant pressure campaign from President Trump to lower rates, which the Fed has left unchanged since December to fight inflation.
We call him too late for a reason. He should have cut him a year ago. He's too late.
Trump even calling for Powell to resign and making this rare presidential visit to review the Fed's renovations and turn up the heat on the chairman about the building's price tag.
It looks like it's about $3.1 billion. It went up a little bit, or a lot. So the 2.7 is now 3.1.
I'm not aware of that.
Yeah, it just came out.
In his closely watched speech in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, Powell seeming to acknowledge the president's prodding, saying only Fed officials reviewing economic data like inflation and jobs numbers will make the final call.
We will never deviate from that approach.
Stocks surging yesterday after Powell's mere suggestion of a rate cut. Meantime, the Fed watching the impacts of Trump's trade war closely too, as major retailers start to feel the pinch. Walmart's CEO telling investors the world's largest retailer is seeing costs increase each week, but has largely avoided raising prices so far. And Home Depot saying it's already begun what it calls some modest price increases.
That was Jay O'Brien reporting. Powell also indicated yesterday that the Feds will move carefully and cut rates at a much slower pace than President Trump wants.